want to show you the detail of this bag, my Louis Vuitton On the Go bag. This is in reverse mono. I usually store it with this to keep its shape, and I found an insert that perfectly fits the bag. It has a lot of compartments. The dust bag is in its perfect condition. It's very nice and clean. I have only used this bag 3 or 4 times. Still in its perfect condition. Very clean. Still smelling good. Beautiful bag. It has a red interior canvas, soft canvas lining. It has 2 sockets in here, hang like pouches or keychains or whatever you want to hang, so you can do that. And it comes with a flat pocket with a zipper, so nice. This is the largest size, the GM. The mouth of the bag opens to like 6.5 inches, 16.5 centimeter. I don't know if you can see that. And it has 4 metal studs protection on each corner. Smaller monogram in the side, and the giant bigger version, and both front faces of the bags. It has a 2-handle, long handle, and short, sturdy and thick, hard handle. And the drop of the bag is 31 centimeter, or in inches it's about almost 12. Paris logo inside in the gold foil. The zipper is also gold, and all the metal hardware are all in gold. Width of the bag is about side, and in centimeter about 40, and the height of the bag is 12.5 inches or 32.5 centimeter is the height of the bag. And the width of the bag in the bottom, 17.5 centimeter or about 7 inches. The hardwares are still in its great condition, just very light scratch. So there's 1 scratch in here. It's minor scratch, and you cannot really see it because it's in the inside. It's a very beautiful tote bag. I'm actually considering of selling this bag because it is too big for me. And yes, so I might sell this bag. If you are interested, please DM me on my Instagram, Zona Loves, and see if I could make a deal with you. I'm not 100% sure yet, but if there is a good offer, I will probably let it go. That is the details of this bag. If you are planning to purchase one, it is very good. I like it a lot, but I seldom use it because I'm more into smaller bags. This one is really so big for me to carry around every day. But if you like to bring a lot of essentials with you to carry, this is going to be the best bag for that. Alright, so thank you so much for watching me again, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. I would appreciate if you click the like button down below, and you take care always. I will see you on my next video. Have a good day.
velvet sky, a dream.